Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience with Syncee. Syncee, found at https://syncee.co, is a powerful platform designed to streamline product sourcing and inventory management for e-commerce businesses. It acts as a bridge, connecting retailers with a vast network of global suppliers offering millions of products across diverse categories. This opens up a world of possibilities for businesses looking to expand their product offerings or discover unique items. Using Syncee can significantly reduce the time and effort traditionally involved in sourcing products, allowing you to focus on other crucial aspects of your business like marketing and customer service. The platform offers a user-friendly interface, making it easy to navigate and find the products you need. You can filter by category, price, supplier location, and other relevant criteria, ensuring you find the perfect fit for your store. Once you've identified potential products, Syncee simplifies the process of adding them to your online store. With automated product uploads, you can quickly populate your shop with detailed product descriptions, high-quality images, and accurate pricing. One of the standout features of Syncee is its automated inventory updates. This means you can stay on top of stock levels and avoid selling out of stock items. This real-time synchronization prevents frustrating customer experiences and keeps your business running smoothly. Syncee also handles pricing updates, ensuring your profit margins remain consistent even when supplier prices fluctuate. This automated pricing management frees you from manually adjusting prices, saving you valuable time and reducing the risk of errors. Beyond its core functionalities, Syncee offers a range of integrations with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce, further streamlining your workflow. This seamless integration ensures data consistency across your various platforms and simplifies the management of your entire e-commerce operation. Whether you're a seasoned online retailer or just starting out, Syncee can be a valuable tool in your arsenal. It provides a comprehensive solution for product sourcing, inventory management, and pricing automation, empowering you to scale your business and reach a wider audience. So, explore the possibilities of Syncee at https://syncee.co and discover how it can revolutionize your e-commerce business.